jukebox plays a quiet song we used to sway to slow. You held me like the rain outside, had nowhere else to go. I pressed my cheek against your coat, the wool still dark and warm, and thought this moment was my home. I'd weather any storm. But every song must end, and I'm still swaying, pretend. You're the echo in this room, the warmth inside the cold, the part of me this letting go won't hold. I reach across the space you left behind, but even shadows know you've gone too kind. The bartender's wiping down the glass where we once stood, two strangers in a half-lit world that left me misunderstood. You whispered goodbye so softly that I barely caught the sound. Now I'm talking to the corner where you used to be found. And every time I try, I still feel you standing by. You're the echo in this room, the warmth inside the cold, the part of me that's letting go won't hold. I reach across the space you left behind, but even shadows know you've gone too kind. Time doesn't heal, it only rewrites every memory in softer light. So I'll keep this sake, it's all I own, the only proof I'm not alone. The echo in this room, the warmth inside the cold, the part of me that's letting go won't hold. The jukebox plays a quiet song we used to sway to slow. You held me like the rain outside, had nowhere else to go. I pressed my cheek against your coat, the wool still dark and warm, and thought this moment was my home. I'd weather any storm. But every song must end, and I'm still swaying, pretend. You're the echo in this room, the warmth inside the cold, the part of me that's letting go won't hold. I reach across the space you left behind, but even even shadows know you've gone too kind.